Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, pick a common coin and the nail you need to size. Place the nail flat on a ruler and align the head at 0. This gives an accurate length baseline. Once done, hold the coin next to the nail head so their edges match. You do this to estimate head diameter quickly and to decide if you need calipers or a finer ruler. Make sure to work on a well-lit surface. Small misalignments change the reading. Once you have baseline alignment, measure the shank length and head diameter in millimeters using the ruler or a caliper if available. Record both numbers. Next, compare the nail head to your coin. A penny is about 19 mm, a dime about 17. 9 mm, this helps confirm your visual gauge. Then convert mm to common nail sizes or to the chart you use. If the head sits between coin sizes, round up for fastener fit. Accuracy matters for load and finish. You finish by choosing the nail or screw that matches both the length and head diameter from your notes. Then test fit it in the material to confirm clearance. If measurements conflict or seem off, remeasure with calipers or use a drill bit gauge to verify shank size. This removes human error. Finally, if a head is slightly too large, don't force it. Use a washer, a different head style, or a pilot hole. One trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.